In this video, we're going to show you how you can apply a pattern to your design inside Cricut Design Space. The reason why you'd want to create a pattern or have a pattern placed on something would be due to the fact that you were wanting to use this as a print then cut. Okay, so in this example, I'm going to go ahead and find a tie. This one looks good right here, and we're going to apply a pattern to the tie right here. So obviously it already has polka dots, but we would like to add a pattern to it as far as the blue part goes. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and click on the color here. And then the next thing, to apply a pattern, obviously Cricut Design Space is going to have to print this. So we need to click on the print category, and then we can select the patterns over here. So here is a list of patterns that you could apply. Okay, so you could simply, click on the pattern to see how well it would look with the item that you have selected. So it applies that pattern on there. Okay, now you do have a lot to choose from. Some of them cost money, some of them are included. You can filter these, so you can click on this filter right here, and you can filter them based upon color. You can filter them based upon it being free, patterns that you have uploaded, and we'll talk about that in another video, but that's how you do that. But basically I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here, because there are a few extra things that you can do with the pattern. So say for example that you say to yourself, with these yellow dots here, really too small. Is there any way to enlarge those? Well, if you click on the edit button down here, you do have the availability to scale the image here. So now we have those circles on there. You can increase and decrease the horizontal and vertical. You can also rotate it as well, so you can sort of see what you'd be getting utilizing those effects. Okay, once you are satisfied, you can go ahead and click on the X and it will save it. You can sort of see that it's doing that right down here already. One of the things that you want to see here, it says that the pattern may appear on screen in low resolution. However, it will print in high resolution, and this of course is to benefit your user experience with it. So you're going to go ahead and click on the X. It is now saved. Obviously when we go and we're going to go print then cut this, select everything and just click on the flatten button, and now we can go and click on the make it, and it will print this and it will cut this for us.